Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entry App, India's #1 app for the preparation of competitive examinations like banking, insurance, SSC and other state level examination. Myself Kashish Goyal, your reasoning mentor, having an experience of 3 years in the banking competitive sector. So in today's session we will be discussing a circular seating arrangement and I am gonna tell you the trick, okay, how you have to solve the circular seating arrangement. Okay, so before that, in the last class I have given you some homework of basis on the base of inequality. So I have given you 5 questions, so let's discuss them fast so that we can further come on to our session. So let's see the first question we have. So we have a single statement. Let's see the conclusion. So first of all, it is from x to e. So this is x and this is e. So when you are going from x to e, you have to go in forward direction, but there you have greater equals to greater, greater equals to greater, and there you have less. So greater and less both are together, so it means you can't find the final relationship between x and e. Means you can't justify any relationship. You can't say x is greater than e, you can't say x is less than e, or you can't say x equals to e. You can't say means you are in doubt for each and every answer because you can't relate them. Is it clear? So it means both conclusion will be wrong, that is for sure, but with the doubt. Doubt means you are not clear for that because you can't find the relationship. Now the thing that is here, that if you are saying that this is wrong and this is wrong, means x is not less than, x is not equals to, and x is not greater than e. Clear? So basically between two person there are three relations, that is less, greater or equal. But when you are saying all are wrong, but they can't be wrong all together, means you can't say less equals to and greater both are wrong at one time. Clear? So one of them should be there. So that's why you can't take both answer as neither conclusion were nor follow. You will take them as either or. You will take it as either or. And this is an either or condition which have different types of tricks, okay, or you can say which have different type of formulas or rules. So you can watch that rules in my banking foundation course, so that I have told you recently or in the last of my video. Okay, so you can just go and watch my video in the banking foundation course for the complete rules. Now let's come to the second question. So first is n to r. So this is n and this is r. So between n and r we have equals, greater and greater equals. So final relationship will be greater, but there you have less, so this will be wrong, that is for sure. Now f to n. So there you have f and there you have n. So you have to go in backward direction. So this equals to remains equals to. So this greater than equals to become less than equals to, greater become less than, and equals remains equal. So final relation will be less than. So there you have less. So second will follow in the question number 2. Now question number 3. So first is f to r. So there you have f and there you have r. So f to r you are going in backward direction. Okay, so this greater and greater equals to will become less and less than equals to, or equals to remains equals to. So final relation will be less than. So this will be right one. Now g to b. So there you have g and there you have b. So you have to go in backward direction. So this less will become greater than equals to. Okay, this less will become greater than equals to, and this greater will become less. So greater and less together. So you can't find the final relationship. So this will be wrong. That's why only first follow in the question number 3. Clear? Now let's see question number 4th and 5th, that is in coded inequality. So first of all, let's make the magic box that I have told you in the last session. And how to make, I have already told you. So first is at the rate. That means either smaller than or equals to. So smaller than or equals to means this sign will have at the rate. Clear? Next, percentage means smaller than. So there you have percentage. And next is and, which is equals to. So with equals to you will have and. Now power means either greater or equals to. So there you have power. And last is hash. So hash, it is always though hash will be here. Done. Now let's see the statement and let's see conclusion first of all. So conclusion is C to F. So both are C to F. So let's see how you can go from C to F. So first of all, how you can go C to B, B to E, and then E to F. So you have symbols, that is all are in forward. So at the rate and at the rate. So at the rate and at the rate. So final will we have at the rate. Okay, so there you have at the rate. So this will be right and this will be wrong. So only conclusion second follow, that is for sure. Done. Now let's see question number 5th. So conclusion first is from L to O. So how you can go from L to O? So L to M, N to N, and N to O. Done. L to M, M to N, and N to O. So we have symbols 3, that is power. So there you have power, there you have hash, and there you have AND. So between these 3, final conclusion will make this one. So you have final conclusion a hash, so there you hash, so this will be right. Now next is M to P. So M to N, N to O, and O to P. So hash, and hash. So and hash and hash. So between and hash, final conclusion will be hash, but there you have percentage, so this will be wrong. So only first follow for the question number 5. Clear? So we have solved the homework question. Now we will come on to the circular seating arrangement. So there you have the question, and first of all I am giving you here 2 minutes. Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes, and you have to solve it, and just let me know in the comment section box that you have solved the question in time. In time is less than 2 minutes. Clear? So the timer is started, so just do it. Just do it fast, guys. I will let you know the trick, as I have told you in the start that I am going to tell you a trick to solve the sitting arrangement. One minute up, guys. 1 minute up. Hurry up, hurry up. Answer me in the comment section box that who have done this question with in the time. Just fast, do it. Last 15 seconds, guys. Hurry up. Last 5 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Okay. So time's up. Now we will see how to solve the question. Okay. Or you can say the trick. Okay. So first, what is the trick to solve the sitting arrangement? So the only trick to solve the sitting arrangement is your approach. This is the only way you can solve the sitting arrangement fast. That is your approach. How you are reading and how you are clubbing the situations or statement that is given. Okay, I will let you know here. First, read the statements carefully. So 8 students Q, R, S, T, V, W, Y, and Z are sitting around a circle table facing the center. So first of all, when there is 8 person of arrangement, so first of all let's make a circle, okay, in which we have 8 persons. So there you have 8 person arrangement. Done. There are 3 male and 5 female in the group, friends. So we have total 8 person in which 3 are male and 5 are female. Okay, now no 2 males are immediate neighbor of each other. So this line is very important because this is where you guys stuck. Okay, you have to keep this point in mind that no 2 males are immediate neighbor of each other. So let's see the first information. So V sits second to the right of his wife. Now see, we know that V is married to someone, that is for sure. Okay, we don't know that person. Okay, and V sits second to the right of his wife. So V will be the husband and there you have his wife, but we don't know the wife of V. So it is obvious that there will be wife of V, and to the second to the right of that person V will be there. So if we don't know anyone, okay, we don't know who is the wife of V, but we can suppose that one person, okay, and we can fix that person. Why? Because whenever in the starting the whole circle is empty, you can place first person wherever you want. So at this position I am taking V's wife, whoever she will be. Okay, now second to the right of V's wife there will be V, so there you have V, and V is a male member, that is for sure. Done. Now S sits third to the right of V. Now S is third to the right of V means if V is here, and all are facing inside. All are facing inside. So whenever they are all are facing inside, right will be in anti-clockwise direction and left will be in clockwise direction. Just keep this thing in mind. Okay. So if V is here, right is the anti-clockwise direction. So 1, 2, 3. There you have S. Is it clear? Done. Next, W sits second to the right of her husband Z. Now what we have? That W is second to the right of her husband Z. So W will be the female member and Z will be her husband. Yes or no? Clear? Now what we have, that W must be second to the right of Z, like this. Clear? If you're taking in a linear example, okay, and Z is not an immediate neighbor of V's wife, means Z can't be sitting to the immediate left or right of V's wife. So if V's wife is here, it means Z can't be at this position, can't be at this position. That is for sure. So now you will say, sir, for the Z there are three possibilities. That is this one, and this one. But if you remember the one line that I have told you, that no two males are immediate neighbor of each other, so it means Z can't be here. That is also for sure. Because if V is a male member, there you must have a female member at this position, and also at this position there will be a female member. Yes or no? Clear? So it means Z can't be here. So the only possibility of Z is at this position or at this position, right? Now, suppose if you are putting Z here, okay, at this position, if you are putting Z here, so W must be second to the right. So right, second right means this side. So 1 and 2. So W will come here. But can you place W here? No. Because W is the wife of Z. But at this place you have to make the V's wife. So W can't be the wife of V because W is the wife of Z. So it is always that you can't place Z at this position. That is for sure. So the only position now left, that is Z here. Done. And it is a male member. And second to the right means this position you must have W, and it is a female member. Clear? Is it clear? Now see, if this is a male member, this is always that S will be a female. Yes or no? Clear? Done. Okay. Now next. T is a male and Y is not an immediate neighbor of V. Okay. So T is a male member. Now see, at this position there will be a female, there is a female, there is a female, there is a female. So this is the position left for the T because T is a male member. So there you have T and it will be a male member. And next, Y is not an immediate neighbor, means Y can't be the neighbor of V, means Y can't be at this position and this position. So the only position left, that is the position of V's wife. So it is always that the wife of V will be Y. Clear or not? Done. And last, R sits second to the right of Q. Now R must be second to the right of Q. So Q can be either here and can be here, but if you place Q here, R can't be at this position because there is already S. So it is always that Q must be here and R must be here. So this will become our final formation. That's it. Clear? Actually, when you are solving this question and you have some knowledge about the sitting arrangement, so you can easily solve this question within 1 minute. Okay, I have given you 2 minutes, but you can easily solve that in 1 minute. Is it clear? Done. Okay, so this is the basic diagram. Now the question will be based on this diagram. So there are the 5 questions. Okay, so let's see first question. What is the position of T with respect to Z? So we have to find the position of T, but with respect to Z. So if Z is here, you can take a right side. So right side it will be third, and if you are taking from left side, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be third right or fifth left. So what is the option? Third right is there. Yes, third to the right is there. Done. Now second question. Which of the following statement is regarding S is definitely correct? So we have to find which is definitely correct about S. So S is one of the male member of the group. So S is a male member? No, this is wrong. Both the immediate neighbor of S are females. So the immediate neighbor of S, no. One is male and one is female. So this is also wrong. Now S is third to the left of T. Now S is here and T is here. So S is second to the left of T, but they are saying third. So this is also wrong. W is an immediate neighbor of S. No, W. Yes, W is an immediate neighbor of S. So this will be the right option. That's it. Done. Now third question is, who amongst the following is V's wife? So V's wife we have found out, that is Y. So answer will be Y. That is option number 2. Now question number 4. Who amongst the following has male sitting to the immediate left and right? So we need a member to whom left and right both there will be a male member. So let's see. So there you have male, and there you have male, and there you have male. So R is the person to whom left and right both are male members. So answer will be R. That is option number 2. Now last question, which of the following is not true regarding T? So we have to find which is not true. Okay, so T is an immediate neighbor of Z's wife. Okay, so T is an immediate neighbor of Z's wife. So the wife of Z is W. So yes, T is the neighbor of W. So this is the right one, because we have to, but this is not your answer, but because we have to find which is not true. No male is an immediate neighbor of T. So no male is an immediate neighbor of T. Yes, this is also right. Q sits second to the right of T. Now Q is second to the right of T. Yes, because right is anti-clockwise direction. So this is also right. Now the one who sits third to the left of T is a male. So third to the left of T. So T is here 1, 2, 3. That is Z. So it is also male. So all are true. Answer will be all are true. Clear or not? Done? Okay. So this was the question that we have done. Now the homework question for you. So there you have question, and what you have to do, you have to make the arrangement and answer me in the comment section box the arrangement. And how you have to make the arrangement, just keep one thing in mind. When you are giving me the answer, so you have to give your answer in a linear way. Okay, just tell me from where you are starting. Suppose you are starting from R, and you will tell me from the right of R you are taking everyone. Okay, so if I are taking from right or right of R, suppose it is S, then U, then V, W, then Q, then P, like this. Okay, so you have to answer me like this. Is it clear or not? Done? So we will be solving this question in the next session. Okay, now one more important thing, as you know that in today's time the examinations are online, so the Entry app is giving you test. Okay, that is very important, because if you want to succeed any examination, you have to attempt the test. So we are giving you free tests. Okay, so how you can take the test, the link is in the description box. Okay, I will tell you step by step how you can take the test, but to download the Entry app or to attempt the test, the link is in the description box. So first of all, if you download the Entry app, okay, from the link given, so interface will come like this. First of all, you have to log in, then you have to go on practices, then a window will appear like this, in which you have different section. Okay, so you can choose any of the section you want. Okay, you can attempt a full test also. Okay, you can attempt full test. There will be a mock test there. Okay, first of all, you have to attempt that one, then you can buy if you like us. Okay, and if you want to if you are preparing for RRB, okay, then we are giving you chapter wise test like this. Okay, so a window will appear like this, and if you have given any test, so important thing that comes to be in the last, that is analysis. So you will get the analysis also of each and every test that you are giving. Clear? And analysis is the most important thing when you are giving tests. Clear? Now one more important thing, that is our premium videos. Like, see, I have given you a sitting arrangement question, just one. Okay, but in my premium videos I am giving you lots of examples of sitting arrangement and the trick, or you can say the approach. Okay, I have told you that trick is equals to approach, so I have given you a lot of approach to solve the question. So to buy any of the premium videos, just download the app, that is the link in the description box. So just click on video classes, and the window will appear like this. Okay, in which we have different courses like bank foundation course, RRB pure clerk course, or each and everything is there. Okay, quantitative is there, English is there, speed trick is there, so everything is there. So you can click any one of them. Like if I click on RRB, so there you have my videos on different topics, so you can just go and watch it there. Clear? And the link is in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment and share. That is very important. Just like the video, comment on it how you like it, and then share it. And then most important thing, that is, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.